The new Peterbilt digital display is not only the largest in the industry, it is also the most advanced driver interface available today. It is designed to deliver critical information at the right time and increase driver efficiency. Key features and functionality include the following. When the ignition switch is turned to on, the warning icons on the top of the digital display will light up to test and indicate that they are functioning. This sequence should take no more than 10 seconds. Systems Check evaluates each monitored system and displays its progress for the operator. The Systems Check will appear when the exterior lighting self-test is activated. There is also a summary of the findings available in the notifications area of the menu. If equipped, the tire pressure monitoring system will also show during the Systems Check. It shows individual tire pressures for each location and will outline the change color of the tire. Outlined, tire pressure not available. Gray, proper. Amber, high or low pressure. Red, very low or high pressure, or high temperature. Once the Systems Check is completed, the results will display in a summary. A detailed explanation of this summary can be viewed by accessing the menu after a Systems Check has completed. With the parking brake set, the following actions will wake the display: opening the doors, operating the steering wheel switches, turning the ignition switch to accessory, on, start, or starting the engine. The following are the key elements of the digital display. A warning cue counter is located on the upper middle right. This counter shows how many critical and non-critical faults are active on the truck. The outside temperature indicator will alert you to high and low temperature conditions. When temperatures approach freezing, a snowflake icon will appear next to the temperature and a chime will sound. When temperatures are high, a thermometer icon appears next to the temperature reading. The view indicator identifies which view is selected. Minimized, a combination speedometer and tachometer will show in the center of the display. Minimized with background, similar view but with a background added. Basic, this view adds the main critical gauges, fuel level, DEF level, air pressure, oil pressure, and coolant temperature. Enhanced view, which includes all the items from the basic view plus bar style gauges on the left and right of the display. Favorites, if enabled, this view indicated by a star allows you or your fleet manager to configure a custom set of gauges in the dials or outside positions. The transmission mode indicator shows the current gear and mode selected, as well as diagnostic information. If equipped, your truck will show a shift indicator, helping optimize fuel economy. The odometer indicates the total mileage accumulation. Trips can be split into smaller segments by pressing the trip marker key on the smart wheel. Up to 26 10,000-mile segments can be stored, each identified in alphabetical order. The engine hours indicator displays the total hours the engine has been operated. It activates along with the odometer just by opening the door, allowing technicians to quickly see this data without the key. The battery voltage icon is gray when operating normally and changes to amber to indicate low voltage or red to indicate high or low voltage conditions. It can also show battery health and state of charge as a % of capacity. If your truck is equipped with a Smart Air idle management system, an auxiliary battery indicator is also visible. If the electrical system is shutting down to protect itself, the battery icon is replaced by the low voltage disconnect icon.